Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy, and today I will be demonstrating how I draw eyes. And know that as I'm going through this, that I'm more showing you and then explaining myself, so that you'll understand the context behind it. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's just get into it here. Alrighty, first, draw the shape. It'll make sense later. This is the base. Since this is forward facing, you can have it on mirror mode if you're working on an iPad like me. Next, you will be making the eyes, which are almond shaped, but the lower part of the eye is a bit flatter. I also thicken the outside of the top lid so that you have an understanding of where the eyelashes are. Next, where the eyelid overlaps the iris, you'll see where I set the crease, right on top of where the eye would be finished underneath, on relaxed eyes specifically. Next, we're drawing the eyebrows. If you see the guides, I generally start drawing the inner arch of the eyebrow at another eye height upwards. This isn't always consistent depending on different people or how you draw, so that's up to your discretion. Okay, I just want you to know that in between each eye there should be at least one eye width between. It's not the same for everyone. Some people have more space in between, some people have slightly less, but generally you like to keep it around this area so that it looks a bit natural. A bit. Yes, I tend to draw some very defined wings on my eyes. I like it to feel like they could fly off my face or her face if she wanted them to. So they're thick and wide. Generally, not always. That's just for fun. Here I create a shadow by making a triangle connecting from the inner third of the eyebrow to the bridge of the nose. Okay, you saw how I did the eyelashes. You go out and up, curling them, out and up, curling out. And once it gets to the middle of the eyelid, it's more straightforward upwards. Okay? Obviously, both men and women can have pretty long eyelashes. It's just that whoever's wearing makeup, it accentuates the look of it. So, just try it out. Okay, next is the eyebrows. So, essentially, how eyebrows work and how you saw me do it is that I start from the outside tail of the eyebrows, point inwards towards the middle of your face, and at the arch and in the inner part of the eyebrow, the hairs points down towards the bridge of your nose. I find it a bit more convincing when you're doing the hatching lines a bit more sloppily at first, and then you're able to pretty much clean up the edges afterwards and continue adding, subtracting hairs here and there. Make sure that the edges aren't clean. In my opinion, it makes it look more realistic, and I like to have it semi-realistic. Now at this point I will be blurring out all of the shading, like within the irises, the eyes white, and underneath the eyebrow, into the brow bone. This is not final, obviously, and I can use these as details for shadowing once I put colors behind it. I also add a bit of a shadow on the outside tail underneath, so that it's like connected to the brow bone and the eye. And that's it. We have made eyes. Ooh, yeehaw, yahoo, whoopee. Next tutorial video, I will be drawing the nose, so look out for that. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And check out my shop. I just added a few products onto there. I make all of my products on my own. So I hope you enjoy it. Link is down in the description box to see some of that stuff there. And I hope you have a lovely day. I'll see y'all next time for the next video.